Welcome guys to the hard reset info channel. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install iPhone keyboard using green Apple keyboard app on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to enter our Play Store so we can get our green Apple keyboard from here. So I'm gonna search green Apple keyboard and I'm gonna install the app. As you can see, we can already open the app. Now we have to enable green Apple keyboard in settings. Now we have to switch to green Apple keyboard. And basically that's it. Now, as you can see, we have here iPhone keyboard on our Samsung. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!